what's so underrated? Fenugreek seeds. These tiny seeds are like a magic fix for so many things. Let me tell you where they work best. For hair, if you want strong shiny hair, fenugreek seeds is your best friend. It fightens dandruff, stops hair fall and boosts hair growth like crazy. Just soak them overnight, make a paste and apply it. Work wonder. For skin, want clear glowing skin, fenugreeks help reduce acne, dark spots and dryness. Use it as a face pack and thank me later. For digestion, if your stomach always give you trouble, try drinking soaked fenugreek water. It helps with bloating, acidity and even constipation. For weight loss, these seeds are help control hunger, boost metabolism and help in fat loss. Just have them in the morning and you'll notice the difference. So yeah, fenugreek seeds are super powerful. They help from head to toe literally. Try them out and see the magic yourself. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel.